Don't record me.
Ready?
What the f?
Alright, come on me.
Alright.
What's up, guys?
No, it's not recording
We're
yet, buddy.
headed to a secret.
It's not recording yet, buddy.
Let me see.
Hold on. I'm gonna tell you one action. 3,
Hold on, it's not the big one. Let me see.
What?
Let me see. It's already recording. Look at that corner.
Oh, it is recording.
Face it toward me. What's up, guys? We're headed to. You got me good? To a disclosed location here in the Bronx.
What?
We're gonna review these tacos at a local taco shop. Yeah, guys. Trying to find a parking spot so we can park and eat. We got the guys. We got the guys. Look, face it back. Come on, camera guy.
Oh shit.
All right, cut. Hey, found a spot. Check it out.
Oh, it's fine. Accidentally got me in the camera.
We found an astronaut walking on Earth. Comment down below if you know where that's from. Cut. What are you doing? Totally a camera guy. This camera guy needs to learn what he's doing. Where's the camera guy? Let me see. We've seen the tacos already. Yeah, put it right there. You need to. Whoa! Oh, he's back there.
You didn't know what he just
The
shot
shy
me
guy with the gold chains on. Hey, can I borrow $5?
Oh.
The Taquachis. Anywho. So what do you have to say for the camera? Damn! So damn quiet.
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
What do y'all got to say to Davey and them and Leonel? Make sure y'all like and subscribe.
Yep.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
We'll make sure y'all like and subscribe. Leonel and Davian. Shout out Leonel and Davian.
Can you record yourself for
And
once?
the rest of the kids. Alright, anyway, let's get back to mukbang time.
This is really my video. Why you on my meat?
Whoa, get off my meat, guy. Then you finish on the sauce? So what do y'all think about going back to school, kids? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? What do y'all think? Don't be shy now.
You just let me eat?
Huh? What do y'all think? Get in the middle, Link. Liam, get in the middle. Lee?
I know what he's saying your name.
You have, oh shit. Oh shit. See, that's what I told you.
I say hello to you.
Hello, Tay.
Dumbass.
Get in the middle, get in the middle. What else?
Nah, they already fucking know my name. I just edit out.
Don't edit raw videos. Raw videos. Eating some nice tacos in the morning.
Nice little breeze going on.
Nice breeze.
Mm-hmm. That's good. Okay.
We got a couple $100K in the bank. We're good. The sauce is nice and hot. It's good. But this sauce, it's nice. Has a little hot sensation to it. I'll give it. It's nice and hot.
I'm not as good as mom though.
It's not as good as mommy's, but
Probably give it a 6 or a 5.
I'll give it a solid 5 out of 10.
It's a bit watery.
A bit watery. Tacos, give them, since they made me sick last time, probably was old meat. They were selling me old meat because we bought it by the bulk. It's probably old meat from a couple weeks ago. They stored it. But tacos, give them tacos, I'll give them a 6 out of 10. Nah, I'll give them the same 5 out of 10.
7.5.
7 point. What do you give them, sir? Come on, what do you give them?
I don't know.
You just said it. Say it. Say what you said right now.
No.
These guys.
You're supposed to edit that out.
This is raw footage.
No.
This is going straight to YouTube. Look at the amount of meat they put on it. No. This should look nasty. No.
She do look nice, but it's good.
Currently eating tacos and spicy stuff.
Tell them what type of taco they
And
are.
I need to go
Or
take
meat.
it up.
Tell them what type of meat they are.
Huh?
Tell them what type of damn meat they are, nigga. They don't know.
By the way, this meat is, what is it?
Cabeza.
What is it again?
Cabeza.
Damn.
We haven't said the damn shit. He's right there.
I'm just right here cooling, vibing.
Riding meat. He's back there riding meat. What?
At least going saying. Oh shit.
What the fuck? Oh yeah, I did say his name too.
Oh yeah.
Damn.
Remember? Oh yeah, you can open it. On the way over here, tell them what we seen. Tell them what we seen, guy.
What we see?
Tell them what we seen.
An astronaut walking on Earth.
No. An astronaut. You gotta make the faces first. An astronaut walking on Earth.
What the fuck?
But yeah, I wanted to bring a different background to the video. It's always in my damn kitchen, and I'm sick of it. I want a new background, guy. Hold on. I think I got a better idea. Let's take this punk ass outside. Look at my nice teeth. Oh.
The camera's making it look nice.
Put your number in the comments. Over there, from over there. Get my damn license plate in the video. Don't do that. Tailgate time, moving locations. Don't get my license plate in the video. Nope. Get those. Look on. Get those. Get those license plates, not mine. What the hell's wrong with you? Anyways, tailgate time. See all those cars passing by? Do you have the good angle on me? Am I good? I guess I'm good.
Hell yeah.
I think I'm done. Man, my stomach kind of hurts. Shit was real quick. Eat the taco. All right, Lee, you're going back to school. What are your thoughts?
Nothing.
Look at that damn dog over there. Anyways, you're going back to school, kids. What are your thoughts? Are you dripped out?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
What kind of drip do you have?
Everything.
Huh?
Everything.
Like what? Huh?
I don't know.
What kind of drip do you have, guy? Do you have the coolest Jordans, the flyest Jordans?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep. Ask him.
You? You ready for school?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that dog on there. It's looking right at ya. Anyways. Are you ready for school, kid? Huh? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
What are your thoughts? What's your mindset? What's your